We call for the diaspora vote. We also call for the reform of the Zimbabwe Election Commission. You will notice, ladies and gentlemen, that the Zimbabwe Election Commission has committees under it. And these committees are dominated by the executive. So we want dialogue. And we think, as the MDCT, that elections without reforms will lead us back to square one. This is not the first time that the MDC is talking about this. After its Congress of 2014, the MDCT embarked on a program, no reforms, no elections. We then formed the National Electoral Reform Agenda for the purposes of pushing electoral reforms. This is where we are at. We want elections, but we want elections after reforms. And these reforms must be embarked on as a matter of urgency in time for the elections. So, ladies and gentlemen, the MDC wants elections, but wants elections after reforms. The sequence, according to the MDC, for the sake of completeness, is that reforms first and then elections second. There are those people, some of our friends, who think that we must go to elections first and then do electoral reforms second. We do not share in that foolish bravery at all, because we have seen this before in Zimbabwe. We have had elections without reforms, and we have had the results of those elections without reforms. So we want reforms first, and then we have elections after reforms. And these reforms are a matter of urgency for the Zimbabwean people. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.